video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make chatpati chaat, which is called as kurkure chaat. So for this we need some ingredients like chopped tomato, chili, cucumber, onion. I've already chopped it, and also soaked gram. You can see here. Also we need is kurkure and chaat masala and a ball also. So without any further ado, let's get into this video, guys. Come on. So guys, you can choose any kurkure as per your like of taste. I have chosen tomato, naughty tomato kurkure. You can see here it's of 20 rupees, and the chaat masala is of Archie chaat masala. It's of 50 gram and it costs you 30 rupees. Put good quantity of kurkure in your ball. Add your chopped ingredients. Mix all these together with your kurkure. This is very healthy snacks, guys. I know it's mixed with kurkure, but it's very tasty, yummy and healthy because I have mixed all veggies and sprout also, and I'm gonna mix chaat masala. Mix your kurkure chaat. Ta-da! Here is my kurkure chaat. It's ready. Try it by yourself at home and let me know in comment how do you like, guys. If you like it and enjoy it, please give thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends and subscribe. Thanks for watching.